I park my car on the street. Is there something wrong for you? Huh? Is there something wrong for you? You don't like some car on your street? Do you own the street? Huh? Do you own the street? I think you should report to the Hong Kong National Security Police. That would be the great way to do it, wouldn't it? Huh? Wouldn't it? Maybe the Hong Kong Security.
咁乖女，
咁啊，當然係，
佢嚟嘅時候你喺度咧，
因為佢話驚啊嘛。She said she's afraid,
係咩？
so I have to calm her down.
哦，咁樣啊？
Yeah,
咁你
of
唔跟佢
course.
一齊車嚟？
嗯？
點解你唔跟佢一齊車嚟嘅？
Was I invited to go?
你既然係咁，點解你要吸引人唔得就咁樣？
I am just on the
你覺得佢
street
驚喎？
watching you.
你覺得佢驚喎？
Yeah, of
係
course.
咯，咁你要帶佢嚟，咁你點知佢唔驚咧？你咁樣？
I have to make sure that you are not doing something to, you know,
Say it.
saying something to do with her safety, right?
哦，咁 serious 啊？有 accusation 啫嘛？而家係嘛？
Is it an accusation? That is my concern.
我哋會 cause 佢會 unsafe 係嘛？Okay, that's good. All right. Now I
Yes.
know what you think. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm just going to report it to the nursing home.
咁好啊，咁好啊，係啊。Report to nursing home.
And you're reporting to your lawyer? That's fine, you know.
帶去旅行，
I
帶
know.
佢嚟食飯，你要 report
I know you can have a lot of you know, financial ammunition to make sure that you can sue me in court. Go ahead and do it. And even better,